Hi, I'm Brittany from MailChimp. In this video, I'll tell you about connecting Canva to MailChimp. This integration helps you create and share eye-catching designs for email, social media, and more. Once Canva syncs with your MailChimp account, you can access your designs directly in our Content Studio. That way, you have a simple and streamlined design process. To connect Canva, first make sure you're logged into MailChimp. Then head over to Integrations and click Discover. Enter Canva into the search bar for Connect Apps and Integrations, and click on Canva when it shows up. Next, click Connect to review the connection steps, and when you're ready, click Continue. On the login screen, enter the email address for your Canva account and click Continue. Now, even if you don't have an account, enter your email address and we'll help you create an account after you click Continue. Once you're done setting up your account or entering your password, click Log In. Take a moment to review the data connection disclaimers. And if everything looks good, click Allow. Nice! You've connected your Canva account to MailChimp. Now here on the Manage Canva page, you have everything you need to get started. You'll find your integration stats, suggestions on what to do next, and guides and tutorials. To access your Canva designs in MailChimp, click Content and choose My Files. Your designs will appear in the Canva tab. And if you want to return to the Manage Canva page, go to Integrations. Click Manage, and then click on Canva. Now that you've connected the Canva integration, I'll show you how to add a Canva design to an email in MailChimp. Click Create, name your email, and click Create Email. Then you'll select a template. I'll go with basic layouts, and this bold template looks good to me. When you find one that you like, click Apply to go to our builder. To add an image, drag and drop an image block. Click Add Image within the template, and you're in Content Studio, so you'll notice a tab for Canva. Now before we move on, let's have a quick chat about syncing. When you edit or add designs in Canva, the updates will refresh in MailChimp on their own, but you can click Refresh Thumbnails to view your latest changes. And to save you time, we sync multiple versions of a design at once. We also do this if you have unique designs nested under one image. With that said, multi-image syncing could vary depending on your settings in MailChimp. For more information, stop by our Help Center. Let's go ahead and pick a design. If you want to work with a single image, click on it. Then click Sync and Insert. Choose a file type and click Sync Now. If your design has multiple images, you first have to click View Images. And like before, choose a file type and click Sync Now. When the sync finishes, select a picture and finally click Insert. Good work! Your Canva design is now synced with your template in MailChimp. If you'd like to keep this for future emails, use the Save and Exit dropdown to choose Save as a template. For next steps, add another Canva design to an email, ad, or social media post. If you still have questions, check out our Help Center at mailchimp.com/help. Bye!